Welcome back. Last week you learned about the basics of AI and machine learning technology. But how do you use this technology in a project? Either if you want to do a project in your proverbial garage, or if you want to do a project in a bigger company, or maybe even have something that builds up to align with your corporate strategy. Let's take a look. First, in this week, you learn what is the workflow of an AI project. Different projects have different steps. So just as a birthday party has a sequence of predictable steps, first you figure out the guest list, then you find the venue, then you order the birthday cake, then you send invites, and so on. So too does an AI project have a sequence of predictable steps. And so through this, you learn what is the workflow of an AI project, and you learn what it feels like to be working on an AI project. Second, how do you select an AI project? Seems there are a lot of things you could do. The second thing you learned this week is a framework for brainstorming and selecting potentially promising projects to work on, either by yourself or with a few friends or as part of a bigger company effort. Finally, you also learn how to organize the data as well as the team, which again could be just you or a few friends or a much bigger corporate team. But you learn how to organize the data and team for executing on an AI project. By the end of the week, you know what it feels like and how to build your own AI project. And maybe you'll be able to start exploring with some of your friends promising ideas to try. Let's go on to the next video.